Hello students, now this is the third part of practice set 7.1. Third part, that is the last part of this practice set 7.1 from the 7th lesson of maths 2 10th standard mensuration. Right, ये third part है देखो, और last part है ये. इसके अंदर last के 4 examples 7.1 practice set 7.1 का जो last 4 examples है वो हम इसके अंदर देखेंगे. In that the 9th example is like this. In the figure a cylindrical wrapper of flat tablet is shown. एक टैबलेट का एक सिलेंड्रिकल डिब्बा है, ओके, जिसके अंदर हम लोग टैबलेट्स वगैरह रखते हैं, है ना. आप लोगों ने देखे होंगे मेडिकल के शॉप में वगैरह, ठीक है. द रेडियस ऑफ ए टैबलेट इज 7 mm एंड इट्स थिकनेस इज 5 mm. ठीक है. हाउ मेनी सच टैबलेट्स आर रैप्ड इन द रैपर. तो जो भी टैबलेट है उसकी रेडियस गिवन है 7 मिलीमीटर एंड इट्स थिकनेस, उसकी हाइट जो टैबलेट रहेगी उसकी हाइट दिया हुआ है, इट इज 5 मिलीमीटर. ओके, देन हाउ मेनी सच टैबलेट्स आर रैप्ड इन द रैपर. तो वो टाइप के कितने टैबलेट्स जो है हम लोग वो रैपर में रख सकते हैं, वो डिब्बे में रख सकते हैं, क्योंकि सिलेंड्रिकल शेप का है. जबकि सिलेंड्रिकल शेप की डायमीटर गिवन है, इट इज 14 मिलीमीटर. ओके, और उसकी जो हाइट है वो है 10 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है. तो कितने डिब्बे हम लोग रख सकते हैं. तो सेम एग्जांपल वी सॉल्व्ड इन द पार्ट 2 6th एग्जांपल सॉल्व किए थे. देखो हमने, कुछ याद आ रहा है क्या. इन दैट वन सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक इज गिवन एंड वन कोनिकल वाटर जग इज देयर. हाउ मेनी वाटर जग कैन होल्ड बाय दैट सिलेंड्रिकल पॉट, दैट क्वांटिटी वी हैव टू फाइंड, है ना. इन दैट we find volume of cylinder, volume of conical pot or conical jug, है ना, and we take division of this volume of cylindrical water pot upon volume of conical water jug. बराबर है ना. सेम टू सेम वही मेथड से इसको क्या करना है, ये एग्जांपल को हमको सॉल्व करना है कि इसके अंदर जो टैबलेट का जो वॉल्यूम रहेगा वो टैबलेट के वॉल्यूम से जो रैपर है वो रैपर के वॉल्यूम को क्या करना है, हमको डिवाइड करना है. जो डिवीजन आएगा वो उसका क्या रहेगा, आंसर रहेगा. ओके, सो वी स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन लाइक दिस. नाउ रिमेंबर वन थिंग हियर, ऑल द वैल्यू क्वांटिटीज आर गिवन इन मिलीमीटर हियर. मिलीमीटर्स 7 मिलीमीटर, 5 millimeter and the diameter of that wrapper is also 14 millimeter, but height is given in centimeter. So first we have to convert that centimeter into millimeter, and we know the relation between centimeter and a millimeter. So remember this, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. To convert this 10 centimeter into millimeter, we have to multiply this 10 by 10 again. So 10 into 10, that is 100 millimeter will come. Okay, now just see how to write the solution here. We start solution like this. The radius of the tablet is 7 millimeter, and that radius we denote it by r, and its thickness, that is height, is h, that is equal to 5 millimeter, that is given. The diameter of the wrapper is given 14 millimeter, so its radius we denote it by r1, because two radius are there, one radius for tablet and one radius for wrapper. So we denote radius of that wrapper is equal to r1, that is equal to 7 millimeter, and its length, that is h1. Height is again there, so it is 100 millimeter, and therefore the number of tablet that can be wrapped in the wrapper is equal to volume of the wrapper divided by volume of each tablet. Now both are cylindrical shape. That tablet is also cylindrical shape, and that wrapper is also cylindrical shape. So we use formula for volume of the cylinder, and that formula is pi r1 square into h1 divided by pi r square into h. Okay, so this pi get cancelled. Now r1 square, r1 is nothing but 7, so it is 7 square into h1. h1 is 100 divided by r square. So r square is again here 7 square into h, that is the height, that is equal to 5. So again this 7 square get cancelled, and 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 0s are 0, that is equal to how much, 20. And therefore 20 tablets can be wrapped in the wrapper. In this way we have to solve this example number 9. Okay, now come to example number 10. Now the 10th example is like this. Figure shows a toy. Here this figure shows a toy. Its lower part is a hemisphere. And the upper part is a cone. Find the volume and surface area of the toy from the measures shown in the figure. So here radius of this hemisphere, that radius is common for both conical part as well as hemisphere, and that radius is 3 cm. So we denote it by small r, and r is equal to 3 cm, and the height of that conical part is given, that is 4 cm. So we denote that height by h. And what we have to find? We have to find the surface area and volume. So surface area of that surface area of that conical part है ना, surface area of this toy. So surface area of this toy is nothing but addition of surface area of this, or curved surface area of this conical part, plus surface area of this hemisphere. Okay, addition of both the figures gives the surface area of whole toy. Okay, and we have to find the volume of that toy. So we have to find volume of conical part plus volume of hemisphere, and addition of that gives the volume of the toy. Okay, so to find the curved surface area of this conical part, okay, we need slant height. So we denote the slant height of that conical part be L. Then we know the relation between L, R and H, that L square is equal to R square plus H square. But R is nothing but 3 cm, so it is 3 square, plus H is given as a 4, so it is 4 square, that is equal to 9 plus 16, that is equal to 25. So L square is equal to 25. Therefore L is equal to square root of 25, taking square root on both sides. So that is equal to square root of 25 is nothing but 5 cm. So slant height is equal to 5 cm. Okay, now find the surface area of the toy. Surface area of the toy. Surface area of the toy is nothing but curved surface area of conical part plus surface area of hemisphere. Surface area of hemisphere. Okay, so the formula is here, it is pi r L, okay, plus 2 pi r square. So here pi r is common in both. In bracket, from first term there is L is left, and from second there is 2 r is left. Okay, now put the value by pi, it is 3.14 into r is nothing but 3, right, into bracket slant height, that is 5 plus 2 into 3. Okay, that is equal to 3.14 into 3, and here 2 3s are 6 plus 5 11. Okay, after taking this multiplication, okay, I write here, that is equal to, it is 3.14 into 11 3s are 33, that is equal to, that multiplication is 103.62 centimeter square. That gives the surface area, and therefore surface area of the toy is 103.62 centimeter square. Okay, so in this way we have to finish this first part of this example. Now we have to find the volume of the toy. So we write here, volume of the toy is equal to volume of the toy is equal to volume of conical part plus volume of hemisphere. Now volume of conical part formula is 1/3 pi r square into h, plus it is 2/3 pi r cube. This is the formula for volume of hemisphere. Now in both the terms, 1/3 we can take common, pi also we can take common, and r square also we can take common. So from first term there is only h left, and from the second term it is 2 r is left. Okay, now substitute the values. So you will get 1 upon 3 into value for pi is 3.14 into 3 square, okay, into bracket h. H means height, that is given as a 4 plus 2 into 3. ठीक है, that is equal to, it is 1 upon 3 into 3.14 into 9 into bracket 2 3s are 6 plus 4, that is 10. 3 1s are 3 3s are, okay. So finally you will get answer as 3.14 into 3 10s are 30, and after taking this multiplication you will get 94.2 centimeter cube, because this is the volume, okay. And therefore the volume of the toy is, therefore the volume of the toy is 94.2 centimeter cube, okay. So in this way we have to solve this example number 10. Now we'll see the next example. Now the 11th example is, find the surface area and volume of beach ball as shown in the figure. The diameter of the beach ball is given, okay. So we start solution like this. Very simple example is this. Diameter of beach ball is given. Diameter of beach ball is equal to 42 centimeter. Therefore a radius of beach ball is equal to half of the diameter, that is half of the 42, that is equal to 21 centimeter, and that radius we denoted by small r, okay. And therefore surface area of beach ball is equal to, formula is 4 pi r square, okay. That is equal to 4 into value for pi, it is 3.14 into r square, that is 21 square, okay. That is equal to 4 into 3.14 into 21 square. 21 square is nothing but 441. Now take all this multiplication. 4 4s are 16, 6 1 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5, decimal point as it is, and then 4 3s are 12. So 12.56 into 441. Now take this multiplication, you will get answer as 5538.96 centimeter square, okay. This is the surface area of that beach ball. Now after that, volume of the beach ball, formula is volume of beach ball is equal to 4 upon 3, it is pi r cube, okay. That is equal to 4 upon 3 into value for pi, it is 3.14 into, it is 21 cube, because radius is 21. So it is 3.14 into 21 into 21 into 21, then 3 1s are 3, 7s are 21. You will get 4 into 3.14, and this multiplication we just calculate here, it is 12.56. So it is 12.56 into 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14 into 21, okay. After taking all this multiplication, final answer you will get as 38,772.72 centimeter cube, okay. And therefore at last we write, therefore the surface area of beach ball is equal to 5538.96 centimeter square, and the volume of beach ball is equal to 38772.72 centimeter cube is there, okay. So in this way we have to solve this example number 11, okay. Now the last example from practice set 7.1, okay. As shown in the figure, a cylindrical glass contains water to the brim, ठीक है. एक cylindrical glass है और वो जो है वो पूरा पानी से भरा हुआ है फुल, ठीक है, टू द ब्रिम. लास्ट की जो ग्लास की जो टॉप की एज रहेगी वहाँ तक उसको फुल है वो, ओके. A metal sphere of diameter 2 सेंटीमीटर इज इमर्स्ड इन इट. एक मेटल बॉब जिसका डायमीटर दिया हुआ है तुमको 2 सेंटीमीटर इज इमर्स्ड इन इट. उसको क्या किया हमने, उसके अंदर छोड़ दिया पानी के अंदर. फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वाटर रिमेनिंग इन द ग्लास. तो ग्लास के अंदर कितना वाटर रिमेन रहेगा ये अपने को फाइंड करना है. ओके तो अभी इसके लिए तुमने देखो इसका एग्जाम आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल पढ़े होंगे. देखो आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल, when we immersed a metal bob in that glass of water which is water contains to its brim. Okay, then when we immersed that metal bob in that glass, then some water displaced, then volume of that displaced water and volume of that metal bob is equal. This is by Archimedes principle. So we use that principle here. क्या करेंगे सबसे पहले, first we find the volume of that water in the glass. उसका वॉल्यूम फाइंड करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट फाइंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट मेटल बॉब. मेटल बॉब का वॉल्यूम फाइंड करेंगे. ओके एंड बाय दैट आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल ग्लास रिमेन्स इन द वाटर रिमेन्स इन द ग्लास इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट वाटर इन द ग्लास माइनस वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट मेटल बॉब. दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे सो यू विल गेट द वाटर रिमेन इन द glass. Volume of the water remain in the glass. Okay, so in this way we have to solve this. So we start solution like this here. So we start solution like this. The diameter of the glass is given, that is 14 centimeter. Therefore the radius of that glass is half of the diameter, that is 7 centimeter. The height of the glass is 30 centimeter. It is also given. Since the water is filled to the brim, एकदम टॉप की जो एज रहती है ग्लास की वहाँ तक क्या है वाटर फील्ड है. ठीक है, एंड देयरफॉर द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर इन द ग्लास इज नथिंग बट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट सिलेंडर. एंड फॉर्मूला फॉर दैट वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर इज पाई आर स्क्वायर एच, दैट इज इक्वल टू पाई into r square. Value for r is 7 square into h. H is 30. Okay, so you will get it as pi into 7 square is 49 into 30. Okay, just take multiplication of this. So we put 0, 30 is 0 as it is, and then multiply this 3 by this 49. So 3 into 9 first. 3 9s are 27, 2 carry, 3 4s are 12, 13 14, 1470 pi centimeter cube. That is the volume of water in the glass, 1470. Okay, now since the diameter of the sphere, the diameter of metal sphere is equal to 2 centimeter, therefore its radius is equal to, be denoted by r1 is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, and therefore volume of sphere formula is 4 upon 3 into pi r1 cube, that is equal to 4 upon 3 into pi into 1 cube. 1 cube it is 1. Okay, just simplify here. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 1 is left, take decimal point, add 1 0, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 ones are is there, 1 is left, again 3 3s are 9, again 1 left, add 1 0, 3 3s are 9. So answer is 1.33 pi centimeter cube. This is the volume for metal sphere. Okay, when we write here that principle, when sphere is immersed in the glass, then volume of water displaced is equal to volume of the sphere. Volume of water displaced is equal to volume of the sphere by Archimedes principle. Volume of the sphere. Okay, Therefore, volume of volume of water, therefore volume of water remaining in the glass, remaining in the glass is equal to volume of water in the glass, volume of water in the glass minus volume of water displaced, minus volume of water displaced, volume of water displaced, that is equal to volume of that sphere, which is 1.33 pi centimeter cube. Okay, so volume of water in the glass is 1470 pi minus 1.33 pi. After taking subtraction this, you will get final answer as 1468.67 pi centimeter cube. Okay, and therefore the volume of the water, therefore the volume of the water remaining in the glass, is 1468.67 pi centimeter cube. Okay, so in this way we have to solve this example number 12, the last example from practice set 7.1. so here we finish that third part of practice set 7.1. now in next video we'll see the next part of this lesson, that is the practice set 7.2, how to solve practice set 7.2, and what are the formulas we have to use to solve practice set 7.2. okay, thank you.